Welcome. Today we'll show you how to read the Access Pro dashboard and what each section means. We start on the dashboard. At the top, you'll see several key sections. Total income, which shows your total earnings. Next to it, upcoming time records, which displays your upcoming scheduled time records. And finally, active clients, which reflects the clients you currently have registered and active on the platform. We start on the dashboard. At the top, you'll see several key sections. Total income, which shows your total earnings. Next to it, upcoming time records, which displays your upcoming scheduled time records. And finally, active clients, which reflects the clients you currently have registered and active on the platform. Finally, in the lower left section, you'll find Recent Invoices, where you can see the order in which your invoices were created. Each invoice includes an ID that represents its creation sequence, making it easier to search and identify. You can also view the invoice status and access the available actions, such as sending a payment thank you message or checking whether the invoice is ready to be paid. In the lower right section is Recent Activity, where you can review everything you've done within the app, such as creating clients, generating invoices, or sending thank you messages, among other actions.
And that's it. Now you know how to read and understand each section of the Access Pro dashboard. Using this view, you can keep clear control of your activity, your invoices, and your income, all from one place. See you in the next tutorial.